Alright, go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, we have the hottest dance, the Nature Boy, man. Brought to you by yours truly, Ty Better and Young Hef, man. Antarctica Records all day, man. TYG, all that shit, man. We're about to take it over, man. Let's get it poppin'. We're about to show y'all the hottest dance ever. Let's go! Hey, hey! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, let's go! Let's go! Get stupid! Oh boy, do the nature. Bounce off the rope and do the nature, boy. And profiling, hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Do what? Oh boy, do what? Oh boy, do what? Bounce off the ropes and back to the nature, boy. Hey, do the nature, do the nature, do the nature. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, woo, 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 woo. Hey, let's go, get stupid, nigga, get stupid, nigga. New York City. The Nature Boy. Woo! Hey. The styling and profiling movement. What we doing? What we doing? And profiling. Hey. And do what? Do what? And do what? And do what, nigga? Let's go. Hey. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Do it. And do it. We gotta bounce off the rope, nigga. Bounce off the rope and back to the nature. Hey! And do what? Do what? And do what? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Get stupid. Get stupid. Nigga, get stupid. Nigga, get. And do what? Bounce off the rope and back to the nature. Hey!